Yeah, listen, very important topic now in AP. Sum of n terms in AP. Sum of n terms in AP. Suppose if you take few numbers 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5 are clearly are in AP. Why? Because 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 3, 1, 5 minus 4, 1. All the common difference for every number is same. So we can say this is AP. If asked to find the sum of these numbers, it is very easy. Plus, 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 plus. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So sum of all these numbers is what? Clearly 15. So if given the numbers, few numbers, we can find easily the sum. Okay. But if given same series up to 100, how we can find the sum? It is very difficult to add all the numbers. It will take more time also. How we can find if given up to 1000, up to 1 lakh, whatever it is. So if given a series to find the sum of all the numbers, all the terms in that series or in that progression, there is a formula. That is the last topic in arithmetic progression and very important topic in arithmetic progression. Okay. So sum of n terms in AP. Sum of n terms in AP. Okay. Right. Their given statement, prove that the sum of n terms. How many terms? N terms. N terms. Sum of n terms of AP in which the first term is A. What is the first term? First term is A. First term is A. And continuation. The common difference is D. The common difference is D. Common difference is D. And the last term is L. And the last term is L, small l. And the last term is L. E is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 of A plus L, or Sn is equal to sum of numbers, sum of terms, n by 2 of 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the formula, 2A plus 1, right? 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula to find sum of all terms in AP. Here given, you should listen carefully, man. This is the proof of this sum of terms in this AP or arithmetic progression. One series, one progression is given. In that progression, we have n terms. In that progression, the first term is A. In that progression, the common difference is D. In that progression, the last term is L. That is given. One progression is given. That the starting is A and the ending is L, and every number with a common difference, that is A plus B, A plus 2D, like this. And the last term is L, common difference is D, and the first term is A. And sum of all these terms is small and given. Now, not sum of all these terms. Number of all these terms is given n terms there we have. Now, what is the value? A plus D plus A plus 2D plus so on plus L. If you add all these terms, you should get this. We have to prove that only. Very easy. Proof also you have to know. That's why I am giving. See here. N terms we have. Last term is L. So Tn is equal to L. Tn is equal to L. But we have formula now for Tn. What is that? A plus n minus 1 into D. What is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula for Tn, for last term. So we can write L equal to A plus n minus 1. D. A is the first term, D is the common difference, and N is the number of terms. Okay, now with the first term A, common difference D, last term L, number of terms N, we can write the AP is A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma so on. The last term is what? L. The last term is what? L. Before last term is what? L minus D. L minus D. Before that term is what? L minus 2D. L minus 2D. Very simple. Before values will be decreased, after values will be increased. That already we know. A will be increased, A plus D will be increased, A plus 2D. Like that, A minus 2D. The next increase term, A minus D. Next, L. L is already given the last term. This is, suppose, we taken as they're given a name, I think. These all are in AP. These all are in AP already given. Now we have to prove what? Listen carefully, man. We have to prove what? Sum of all these terms is equal to this or this. Is equal to this or this. Both are same. I will show you how both are same. Sum of all these terms is equal to this or this. How? See. I am finding sum. S and I am writing sum of all numbers is equal to A plus D plus A plus 2D plus so on plus L minus 2D plus L minus D plus L is equal to, we have to prove this. Let this is equation number 1. We can write Sn is equal
Can you
to
explain from there once again?
this one, huh?
From there,
From where?
Sn is equals to
Sn
A
means
plus.
what? Sn means what? They're given a progression. What progression? With the first with the first term A, with the common difference D, with the last term L, with the number of terms N given one series. This is the series. Okay. Now we have to find what? Sum of this series. Sum of these values we have to prove this one. So I am adding that I am taking the name Sn is equal to sum of all these terms. A plus A plus D plus A plus 2D plus so on, this plus this plus this, all I am adding. We have to prove all addition should be equal to this. Okay, that's why I made addition, understand? Hello?
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Now, see, 2 plus 3 value is what? 5. We can write 3 plus 2 also. That is also 5. Now I am applying this only. This plus this is equal to Sn. I am writing first this. That is what? L. First I am writing last. Plus L minus D plus L minus 2D plus so on plus A plus 2D plus A plus D plus A. Just I am writing reverse. The last values will be first and the first values will be last. Let equation number 2. This is very important while we are writing. What we are writing the second is very important. What we are doing in second? We are writing the last one first and first one last. Why? Because 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 2 also 5. Why? Because we are adding. So first plus last or last plus first both are same. That's why I'm writing last numbers first and first numbers last. Now I'm doing 1 plus 2. I'm adding equation 1 and equation 2, LHS and RHS. What is LHS? We have Sn, Sn. Now Sn plus Sn is equal to, we have to add these two series also. A plus D plus A plus D, so on, this plus L plus L minus D, L minus 2D, like this we have to add. Okay. Now see, if you add these two, Jibin,
Sir.
hello. Listen carefully
Hello,
this
sir.
one. Listen carefully this
Yes, sir.
one. This step is very important. See,
Yes,
I
sir.
am adding these total two equations. Sn plus Sn I am writing directly to Sn. Sn plus Sn is equal to Sn. Adding these two. A plus L. A plus L. Next, A plus, first I am adding these two terms and second terms I will add. Then third terms I will add. So on. And these two terms I will add. Then these two terms I will add. Then these two terms, last terms also I will add. Now see, A plus L plus D cancel again, A plus L plus 2D cancel again, A plus L, see, A plus L, so on. Again 2D cancel again, L plus A, that is A plus L. Again D cancel plus again L plus A, that is A plus L. Again L plus A, that is A plus N. See, all you have A plus N, A plus L, A plus L, A plus L, A plus L, A plus L. How many terms they are given? N terms. So these all are, we have N terms. These all are, we have N times terms. So we can write 2Sn is equal to N times of A plus L we have. N times of A plus L we have. Very important step this is. We are adding these two now, we are getting A plus L, 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 like that N times. All A plus L terms. That's why I'm writing all in addition, that is N times we have. Okay, that is N into A plus L. A plus L we have N times, that is N into A plus L. Now Sn is equal to 2 taking that side, N by 2 into A plus L. N by 2 into A plus L. This proved. What about second one? This Sn is equal to N by 2 of A plus, what is L? A plus N minus 1 D. A plus N minus 1 into D. In place of L, we are writing what? This value. A plus N minus 1 into D. Now, A, both we can add, na? Adding A and A, you will get 2A. That is, Sn is equal to N by 2 of 2A plus A 2A plus remaining N minus 1 into D. N minus 1 into D is the formula. You can use this one or this one. Whatever it is, you can use, both are correct. But when you are using this one, you have to know the last term. L is the last term, CL. If you don't know L, you can find by using this formula. So it is better to remember this formula. Why? Because there is no L. Okay. So what is the formula? N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D is the formula to find the sum of all digits, all terms in which progression? AP, arithmetic progression. This is the formula. Copy fast, Jibin. Yes. So in arithmetic progression, the sum of the terms, formula Sn equal to N by 2 of 2A plus N minus 1 into D. One example we will see. This is very important. Sum of terms in AP. So how many questions you practice, that much you will get practice. Remember this. Formula solution. Series, you can form series, AP series, very easy with common difference. Take one number and adding with some number, then you will get the series. And try to find the sum. Find the sum of first 15 terms. First example, find the sum of first 15 terms. 15 terms. Of AP is given 3, 8, 13, 18, 23, so on. The last number, we don't know the last number. But total number of terms given what? 15 number of terms. In this AP series given 15 terms. He's asking find first 15 terms. So you can write this progression up to n terms, not only 15, 16, 17, 18. We can write number of terms 23. Then what is the common difference? 3 plus 5. So adding 5, 8 plus 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Like that you can write number, last term, up to last term you can write. You are not given last term, but he is asking what? Sum of up to 15 terms he is asking. Up to 15 terms means we have to find the sum of 15 terms. So how many terms here given? We can understood that the total number of terms given 15. So here n is equal to given 15. So number of terms is 15. And the first term is a is equal to 3. And the common difference we have to write. Common difference means this minus this, I told you that is 8 minus 3. Common difference is equal to, small d is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So what is small d? 5. What is first term? 3. What is n number of terms? 15. What is the last term? We don't know last term. Okay. So he is asking what? He is asking sum of numbers or sum of terms in this AP. First 15 terms he is asking. So the formula is what? Sum of terms Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d. This is the formula I gave you already. Just now I proved you. I gave you the proof. Sorry. N by 2. What is n? 15 by 2 into 2 into a. What is a? 3 plus n. N is what? 15 minus 1 into what is d? Common difference is 5. So all we substitute the values. Just simplification is the answer. 15 by 2. Bracket open. 2 3 are 6 plus 15 minus 1. 14. 14 5 are 70. 14 5 are 70. 70 plus 6, 76. That is 15 by 2 into 76. Now we can cancel with the 2. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja 6, 2 8 ja 16. 38 2 ja 76 is equal to 15 into 38. 15 into 38. Now multiplication. 15 8 ja 120. That is 0 12. 15 3 ja 45 57 570. So what is the sum of the first 15 numbers of this AP? 570. If you add all this like 3 plus 8 plus 13 plus 18 plus 23 plus 23 plus 5 what? 28 plus 28 plus 5 what? 33 plus 5, 38 plus 5. Like this, if you write 15 terms and if you add those 15 terms, you will get what? The value 570. So that is finding the sum of numbers in AP, sum of terms in AP. So this is the process. I will give you homework. You have to solve. First copy this. And remember, always if given small n means number of terms. You have to remember all these. These only the tricks. If given n, small n means number of terms. If given, we can find the last term Tn. Yeah, Tn is not given, but we can find how given n. Again how? By using formula. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N is given what? 15. D is given what? 5. A is given what? 3. Substitute there, you will get Tn. If given Tn, means last term is given. If not given number of terms, again we can find by using the same formula. Remember this,
Can
understand?
you say once again, sir?
If given, see, in arithmetic progression, first term should be there, common difference should be there, last term should be there, number of terms should be there. This is actually series. Here the last term is not given, but number of terms is given. Total terms 15. That means n is equal to 15 given, but the last term, this is the first term T1, this is second term T2, T3, T4, T5, last term Tn, but the Tn is not given, but total terms given 15. So if given total terms, we can find the last term easily by using the formula. If given last term, if not given the number of terms, again same formula. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Understand? If given n, we can find Tn. If given Tn, we can find n by using same formula. By using only that formula, Tn formula. Okay. So that is the formula to find n if given Tn. To find Tn if given n. That is only the formula. Understand? Now, this is different. That is sum of numbers. But why I am telling this, I will tell you. You can understood that why I gave this NTN. See here the question, second question, and homework for you. First of all, I am giving homework. Why? Because the time is going to complete more 10 minutes. The homework is 10B 1 to 8. 10B 1 to 8. And examples. All examples. How many you want to do examples? That is your wish. But the classwork exercise problem 10B 1 to 8. I gave you already pick. Now see the question what I am giving. Listen carefully, man. Every question is very important. For further studies also very important. That's why listen carefully. If the question is what? Find the sum. So we have to find example 2. Find the sum of the progression is what given? 33 plus 37 plus 41 plus so on 101. This is the progression. We have to find the sum. This is the progression. We have to find the sum. In previous question, they are not given the last term, but they are given total how many terms? 15 terms. In this question, given last term, but not given how many terms we have. Number of terms not given. Means here Tn, this is the last term. Tn is given, but n is not given. In previous question, n is given, Tn is not given. I told you for both one formula we can use. Okay. Here asking what the question, we have to find the sum of all these numbers. Na? What is the formula sum of all numbers? Sn is equal to a by 2, sorry, n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula actually. But to get the solution, we have to know what is n. Number of terms compulsory we have to know. No need about last term, but we have to know the number of terms. That's why in previous question, I didn't find the last term. Why? Because they are given n. 15 is given, n value. Number of terms is given. I substituted in place of n. First term is given, in place of a I substituted. Common difference I find and substituted. So finish the question. But here this n is not given, but the last term is given. If given last term, we can find n. If given n number of terms, we can find the last term by using the formula Tn, nth term formula. So what is the first term? A is equal to 33. And what is the last term? Cn is equal to 101. This is the last term. And what is the common difference? Small d is equal to 37 minus 33, 4. Okay. Now, to find small n, we have the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula we have to find what? Small n. It both small n or Tn. This one or this one, to find one of these two. This is only the formula, remember. Okay, now I'm using this formula to find small n. What is the last term is given 101,101 is equal to what is a first term 33 plus n minus 1. N is not given. We have to find n. And what is the common difference is 4. Now see 33. I'm taking this side 101 minus 33 is equal to n into 4 4n minus 1 into 4 minus 4. If you have any doubt, please raise your hand. Okay. Now 101 minus 33 value is what? See 100 minus 30 70 and 1 minus 3 2. More 2 is there.
Sir, can you say once more? Sir?
What
From
man?
101.
Here.
Understood.
Hello.
Understood, sir.
Here.
No, sir.
Here or
Nothing. You continue.
This 33 I taken this side. So 101 minus 33 is 68. 60, 70, 80, 90, 8 plus 3, 101. So 68 is equal to 4n minus 4. Na? 4n minus 4. I am taking minus 4 also this side. That is 68 plus 4 is equal to 4n. 68 plus 4 is 72. 72 is equal to 4n. Now n is equal to what? 72. 4 taking the third by 4. Now 4 1 ja 4. 4 1 ja 4. More 3 is there 32. 4 8 ja 32. So n is equal to what? 18. So how many number of terms here we have? 18. Now you have a value, common difference, and n also. Now what is the formula to find the sum of numbers? Sn is equal to sum of all terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now you have all values. Substitute here. N by 2, 18 by 2, bracket open. 2a, a is what? 33. 2 into 33 plus n. What is n? 18. 18 minus 1 into what is d? D is 4. Now simplification. So that you have to do actually. 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja, 9 into 2 into 33, 66 plus 18 minus 1, 17. 17 4 ja. What is the value? 17 4 ja. 68
Hello, sir.
Huh?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now this is 9 into 66 plus 68. That is what? 60, 60, 120, 120, 134. So 134 into 9 what? 9 4 ja 36. 9 3 ja 27 plus 3 30. 9 1 ja 9, 10, 11, 12. 1206 is the correct answer. Understand? How we
Yes,
have
sir.
to find? This is the process. So examples you try. I also will give you. But these 8 questions you should compulsory solve. Why? Because just they are given a series. You have to find sum of number. Okay? Understand, Jibin?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, copy fast. More 3 minutes we have. So we will take next class tomorrow and copy this and complete the homework, please. Don't forget. Very
Yes, sir.
important these
Yes, sir.
are.
Yes, sir.